Good morning from a chilly campsite in the town of Frick. We made a mistake with our days. We were counting our days and our nights wrong, and I don't think we knew which day it was at the time. And it turns out, we thought we had 2 days to get back, 2 sets of 5-hour drives. But as it would appear, we have one little bit of extra day, just to make things a little bit easier, which is kind of us to ourselves. But so we're going to drive about 2 hours today and go for a little hike. We were told the hike is dangerous. We have arrived in France, so is Terrine and Croque Monsieur. Okay, we are on our way up. Just behind us there is Joy. She is terrified. Yeah, it's gonna be fun. As always, a hike of doom. Looks like a horrible hill, and Joy has the map, so we're already lost. Hour 1 of the hike. So far, nice and easy, minimal getting lost, but I've been past some signs which say this is not for, only for experts. So I'm not sure if I count myself as an expert, but I will give it a shot. Hour 2, sprained my ankle, things aren't looking good. I sent Joy ahead to get cheeseburgers and maybe some fries. I don't think I'm going to make it.